Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We're back with another week of What's for Dinner. We started on Monday trying to use things that we had. I prepared some sweet potato chunks to put in the air fryer. I used salt, pepper, basil, oregano, Italian seasoning, and a dash of chili flake and put them in the air fryer. I had some cut up coleslaw mix I wanted to use. I have a recipe for a sausage and a cabbage dish, so I tried it with the coleslaw mix. It worked pretty well. I was a little heavy-handed on the mustard, but it came out pretty good. You saute your choice of vegetables. I used onions and then put the sausage in, the cabbage or the coleslaw mix, and then some seasonings, a little bit of water or chicken broth, and a little dash of mustard. And we served it with the sweet potatoes and a salad. So the sausage skillet is done. Hopefully it works with the coleslaw mix. I've only made it with the cabbage, like I said. It was a quick and easy meal. It probably only took about 10 or 15 minutes, and it used pantry items, so that's always a win for me. The sweet potato chunks are out of the air fryer, and I made us a big salad. So that's what we're eating Monday. On Tuesday night, we wanted to try something new for Taco Tuesday. One of my sisters had made a crunch wrap, so we gave that a try. I browned up some ground beef in the skillet. I cut up some things for fillings, lettuce, tomato for Tim. I drained the grease from the ground beef and started trying to assemble the crunch wraps and learned really quick that I bought the wrong size tortillas. I watched a video on YouTube from Delish.com on how to make a copycat crunch wrap supreme, since I've never had one. So the first thing they said to do was take tostada shells, which I didn't have. So I just broke hard taco shells in half, put it in the middle, outlined it, so now I've got two rings. Now I'm going to try to assemble them. I layered ground beef, a nacho cheese, or in my case a queso, the tostada shells, some sour cream, and then your toppings like lettuce and tomato, and then you put that cut out circle back on top. Yep, that's not going to work. Okay, my tortillas aren't big enough. I should have bought burrito style. So that's not going to work. All right, let's try another way, see if we can make it work. I took out half the taco shell. That's a little better. It's still going to be a booger to try to flip, and that just tore. Ugh! Okay, I got a new tortilla. I took some of the stuff off, only got half the shell. It's not gonna be very crunchy. See if we can get it, if you don't use as much. Definitely need the burrito size. All right. I think flipping it is going to be a bear. Oh, too hot. Tim's is burned. Uh-oh. I ended up making 3, and they got much easier as I went along. So if you try this, don't give up after the first one. Okay, so we tried the new crunch wraps. I'm not sure how they're going to come out. Tim's going to try his first. We tried to cover up the little burn spot with a little queso fresco that was free from Kroger on the Free Friday download, guacamole, and pinto beans with onions and cheese. So that's this week's taco variation for Taco Tuesday. Let's hope it gives them a thumbs up. We have deviated from the menu plan because I went to the grocery store today. Asparagus was on sale. And on my way out the door, Tim says, oh yeah, hey, buy me a steak. Somebody is really excited. He's over here doing a little happy dance. He's already eaten his steak. We've got baked potatoes, garlic bread, and asparagus, and I'm trying to be healthy. Got a doctor's appointment coming up. My cholesterol's high. Tim can eat steak all day long and he has no cholesterol issues. I eat salmon and salads and I have high cholesterol. So I'm having salmon, baked potato, asparagus, and garlic bread. I found a loaf of Italian bread marked down at the store, so I changed the menu again. We used some of it for garlic bread the night before, and then I made roast beef and cheese paninis for dinner Thursday. Thursday night, instead of leftovers, we made the paninis, roast beef and cheese, got some chips and apple, And that's what's for dinner Thursday. Tim ran off. Already started eating his. Got a big bite. Oh, he's so excited. Yeah! Yeah! Friday night was Greek night in our house. I had bought a box of lamb gyro meat at Sam's Club, and we've been really looking forward to using it. I could not find tzatziki anywhere in town, so I made my own. Used some of the naan flatbreads from Sam's, and we layered the cooked meat that Tim cooked on our cast iron griddle on the stovetop for me into the flatbreads with our choice of toppings. Tim's has tomato, mine does not. We have a lot of lettuce and red onion, and we had a big Greek salad. Friday night we were using the Sam's Club. Actually, I think it's maybe an Athenos brand. I can look on the box and put it below. It was some pre-made lamb and beef gyro meat that you saw us heating it up. Said you could do it on the skillet, in the oven, or in the microwave, so we did it on our griddle. I built us some, instead of pita, we used flatbreads, so we've got gyros and Greek salad, and that is what's for dinner on Friday. We are happy, pretty excited. Saturday night brought the return of pizza and a movie night to our house. We got in the kitchen and worked together. Since we had this large packet of naan or flatbreads from Sam's, we used one of those along with a tortilla to make a little appetizer pizza. We oiled the bottom of the breads because they're going directly on the grill. Then we spread a little olive oil, some of our homemade pizza sauce, and toppings of our choice. I put a little Italian seasoning, some fresh grated mozzarella, and some Parmesan. We put them on the grill. Low, medium, or high?
I usually go high, but I probably need to slow it down a little bit. Half turn.
Not coming off yet.
Oh yeah. 5 minutes on low is not going to do it.
It's cold out here, that's why.
Give it another minute or so.
Oh, you're not going to use the handle? Oh, you're going to balance. Look at you. Appetizer. So pizza using the flatbreads and a tortilla we had in the pantry on the grill, and a big salad is what's for dinner here Saturday. That wraps up another week of these. We hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've gotten some good ideas for meals at your house, be sure to come back next week. We do this every week. Thanks for stopping by our channel. Let's Cook, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. See you in the next video. Bye, y'all. See you in the next video.